Hello everyone, good evening. Today's video is all about my special dinner recipe. And what is it? Y'all have already guessed it because you can see I'm making today jackfruit. So this is jackfruit with prawns, which is fanas ki sabzi with prawns. And for my Bengali viewers, it is echar chingri. This is the first time I'm showing this recipe in my channel. It is never shown before. It is little difficult to do, though if the jackfruit is boiled properly, then it comes out very well. But yes, this is not something that I do every day. It is at times I do it and it is one of my most favorite dish because if it comes out very well, it's very, very tasty. As you have already seen that I have used turmeric while frying the prawns as well as while I was boiling the jackfruit. Hence, I will not use more turmeric in the masala while cooking it. I have used Suhana chicken biryani as I have already mentioned that masala. Y'all can use any other masala of your choice, but that should be a biryani masala. For all my veg lover friends, y'all can use the veg biryani masala. In today's video, I'm gonna make a very important announcement. So do stay till the end of the vlog to know what announcement I make. And you all can see now I have added the boiled fanas with the masala and I will put prawns. I'll give it a good mix and close the pressure cooker lid. I will cook it with 5 to 6 whistle. If you all are feeling that it will be too soft if we do it with 5 to 6 whistle, you all can also do it with 2 to 3 whistle. It depends on the person who are eating. I liked it to be a little smashy or a little overboiled whenever I make it. But if you all are not comfortable, do try it with 3 to 4 whistles. As you all know, to me, presentation should be perfect. Your food taste and presentation both goes hand in hand.
So it is the next day afternoon, and yesterday you all have seen that I have prepared the jackfruit with prawns, which is fanas ki sabzi with prawns. I couldn't eat the full, hence I have the remaining dal and fanas ki sabzi, which I will have today in the afternoon also because there was a lot of leftover. I cannot throw them, hence I'm utilizing it. So let me quickly sit for my lunch now. So all set for my lunch now. As you know, to me, presentation is very, very important. So the way I do my lunch and my dinner video, I have done it in the same way today. So just let's see how I have done it.
So this is how I presented my food today. To me, presentation is very, very important. Whatever you eat, if you present it properly, it gives an add-on taste to your food. That's what I believe. And that's how I do my presentation. You guys can let me know in the comment section how y'all do your presentation. I would love to read it.
So let me enjoy this amazing lunch and I will be back after the lunch. So now I'm done with my lunch, and you all might be thinking why the lights are on always here in the house, because in the morning also the light doesn't come in. So if I just do not switch on the light and do my videos, you all will not be able to see me. That's true. And the most important thing which I've come here for an announcement is, from the time I'm doing this vlogging, I got a lot of requests that why don't you do it in a language which we can understand. Why don't you do it in a language that is easier for all the people to understand, and English gets difficult at times. So all these queries I have got from many people. There were personal messages, there were personal requests on the phone where we have come across this, and hence I decided, because honestly saying, it is very difficult for me to start with any vlog in Bengali, because many of my subscribers are not Bengali since I stay in Mumbai. So it is very difficult. Hence, I will not prefer, doing any vlog in Bengali. Yes, of course, at times we talk in Bengali. That's absolutely fine because I am a Bengali. We are Bengalis. But since I stay in Bombay, I'll have to understand that what is everyone's requirement and what language does everybody understands. And even nowadays in Kolkata also, and like many people, and it's not nowadays, from like they understand Hindi very well. So I have decided to start my blog with Hindi, Yes, definitely not a pure kind of Hindi. There will be English mixed words, but yes, majority I will be speaking in Hindi so that it get easier for you all to understand. For those people who have requested me to start up the vlog in Hindi, तो बहुत जल्दी मैं हिंदी में व्लॉग ला रही हूँ. मेरे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग होंगे हिंदी में, तो ज़रूर आप लोग मुझे ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करते रहो ताकि मैं आप लोग के रिक्वेस्ट में काम कर सकूँ, राइट? सो माय नेक्स्ट व्लॉग विल बी इन हिंदी and that's a promise. Yes, it will be in Hindi and English mixed, less English and more of Hindi, so that आप लोग समझ पाओ मेरे vlog. So that's it. That's all for today. I will be back with the new vlog and in Hindi. मेरे next vlog हिंदी में आने वाले हैं, तो ऐसे ही मेरे साथ दो आप लोग ताकि मैं आप लोग के रिक्वेस्ट रख सकूं. बाय.